Well, it's one of our study abroad programs, and this is something that we develop as a university to allow students to get practical experience in the field. So each day they come out with us, we set up excavation units, and they get out there with their trowels. They remove sediment from the ground in areas that we think have some potential to be archaeological sites and to tell us something about people's lives in the past. And then we put that sediment through a series of processes. It goes through a screen to recover remains like bone, ceramic, shell tools, that sort of thing. And those objects make their way back into the lab where students will take care of them by cleaning them and then bagging them. We create an inventory for all that material, and then it goes into a database. And from that point, the material will be further analyzed by individuals who have special expertise in those particular categories of material.
It seems a lot of painstaking work. One should have a lot of dedication, because you also mentioned it's like a 5 to 10 year sort of you would like for it to be a longer project because it takes some time.
Yes, that's certainly what we're hoping to do here. We're hoping to build a real community project. We're working with local individuals, local volunteers. We have a citizen science program that's going to be running in the month of August, where we're going to be providing training for those who are interested in developing archaeological expertise so they can get trained up by joining that program.
And most people, it's always a saying that you have to know where you come from to determine, where you're going to go forward. And is that sort of what archaeology is about, knowing how the people lived in the past? And I also saw that, certain environmental changes. So that's basically, that can tell us a lot about our history, basically.
Absolutely, yeah. We all have deep roots. Curaçaoan people have deep roots on this island, and their history is part of who they are. And we're hoping that by looking more closely at the past, at the archaeological past, we might find information that we weren't aware of that can help us develop sustainable solutions for environmental issues today.